Hi friends, just I want to tell you about how will you manage your cash in your company. This type of functionalities we have incorporated in our one of the software that is called DBNA Payroll MS. Okay, here DBNA Payroll MS software. Just I am showing the online demo. Here you have to put the user ID and password. I am putting the user ID demo. Now it is coming to the content page. So we are talking about the advanced cash management systems. So here you go to the administrator link, and here you will see the application for advanced cash. This this form is for the application. Whenever any user is required to the advanced cash, then that times this application will open and he will apply from here the advanced cash. Suppose I am applying for advanced cash amount uh, 24,000, and I want to return to the company in 12 months, and rate of interest uh, will be the 0. Here rate of interest means if company is giving you the advance amount, then he can charge you some rate of interest, or he may not charge you the sum of rate of interest. But application form for the advanced cash management is for the user who needs the advance cash. So I am requesting to the company, give me the advance amount to 2400 24,000 for the I want to return it into the 12 month, and rate of interest will be the 0. So just for applying the advance cash from here, just I have filled the form and click on the apply. In this way you can apply for the advance cash through this softwares. After applying the advance cash, then click on the close. Okay, now this call is goes to your manager approvals. That means manager approval, advanced cash manager approval create here. Manager means suppose you are working in the working as a employee in your organization. That means someone will be your manager. So you are going to apply for the advanced cash. So this task will goes to approval for your manager. So this panel is maintained here, the advanced cash reporting manager approval grids. So you have just applied the advanced cash amount of 24,000, and you want to return into the 12, and rate of interest you want to pay the 0. So so your reporting manager will click on view details. Then your reporting manager will see the information you have given, and now he will select here approved. Then go to then he will click on the save buttons. That means your advanced cash application is approved by your reporting manager. Now click on the close. After reporting manager approval, then this call will goes to the company's finance manager. Finance manager means suppose you have applied advance cash. So finance manager will check the availability of the cash in the company and your eligibility criteria. According to this basis, he will approve your call. So this panel is the advanced cash finance manager approval. Finance manager means the finance manager is looking for entire finance statement, yeah, entire financial state of the company. So here this panel will show with him, and now he will click here view details. Then it will open this forms. So here finance manager have two permissions. One is the approved or not approved. So by default this form will goes to the not approved. Suppose your finance manager is going to approved, then he will select on the approved and then click on the save. Now your cash finance manager approval is completed. After completing the reporting manager approval, then it will goes to the finance manager approval. After completing the finance manager approval, then it goes to cash credit. Now here is the cash credit grid. That means whatever amount approved by your reporting manager and finance manager, it will be come here and it will show details. So here it will available two options, credit and rejected. So it is already approved, that means you are going to credit. So select the credit and click on the save buttons. In this here your account will be the credit by 24,000. After credit amount, then it will be create a 12-month EMI. So here you will see the generate EMI. On click on the generate EMI, then it will generate in 12 months. Here you will see your EMI is generated and your EMI amount will be the 2000 each month, and it is going to start. And in this way your installment becomes the 12 installment. Here the 12 EMI is there. Now in this way you can manage the cash and to each and every employee by using these applications. That's all. Thank you.